The hype is real, guys. The hype is real. But what the is going on with the shoe, man? Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we are focusing on the Jordan 1 Travis Scott's, the new hype sneaker that is literally taking the entire world by storm, it feels like. The hype is not dying down, guys. The hype is literally real for this shoe. And I honestly have not seen hype like this like in a really long time. Like, this is insane hype. So in this video, we're going to be going over like the resale, what the hype is, fake news that I've been seeing a lot, and then honestly just talking about fake pairs in general as well. Like, there's so much going on with the Jordan 1 Travis Scott's, and it seems like everybody is trying to capitalize on the hype. So I want you guys to be safe. I want you guys to know what's going on. That's what this video is going to be all about. So if you guys haven't heard, or you guys have been living under a rock or something, this is probably the sneaker of the year. Like, people can say they hate it, they hate the design, it's plain, it's whatever, but honestly, in terms of hype, this is probably sneaker of the year, like without a doubt. These released on May 11th on Sneakers app, and a little bit earlier than that for like Travis Scott's birthday. And so it was dropped on Travis Scott's website. That was a pretty like easy release. It was a shock drop, so a lot of people got through. However, the sneakers release, like I talked about, it was crazy. It was not a good release. Like, there's a lot of problems right now with the Sneakers app. There was 20 minutes or so of them, I think, trying to like battle bots and stuff. But that created a whole bunch of problems. Like, people's payments weren't going through, like all of this stuff. Like, some people are just very fast on their phones and they may look like bots, and then Sneakers app will like label them as bots when they're just like a normal guy trying to get in. So I understand they're trying to counteract the problem and stuff, but it made it very frustrating. And then after seeing like how many people got through and stuff, even more so, I think their problem is that there wasn't very many pairs. The hype has just been continuing to rise, which is insane. If you guys haven't seen that video that I posted up here, I talked about resale predictions for the shoe. Honestly, it was almost 100% accurate, which is insane for that video. What I said in that video, basically, for a small recap, is that when the shoes hit front doors on Tuesday of last week, when all the people were getting like their pairs from Sneakers on like Tuesday and Wednesday, the resale was gonna drop, and it did. It dropped by like maybe like $100. There was a point where you could actually cop pairs of these for like less than $1,000 for like the sizes 8 through 9.5, and then there was a point where you could actually cop it for like 800 and sometimes like 750 for like pairs of like 10.5 or 11. And just like I said in the video, after that initial day, the prices went up. They went up a lot, though, a lot more than I was expecting. So I've been watching the market very, very closely for these things because it's like absolutely like confusing to me. It's like baffling. But yeah, these things have literally been rising by about $100 a day since release. It's insane. Currently, like the hot pairs, like the 8s through the 9s, are going for $1,300, $1,250 or $1,300, which is ridiculous. That's insane. And then yeah, like the 10 halves and stuff are going for about 1,000. And that is very high. That's like super high. And I honestly think that it's just going to continue to rise, not at this crazy rate as it is like right now, but I don't think that it's going to stop moving up. Like, by the end of the year, I'm going to change my prediction. What I said in that video is I said it was going to cap out at about 1,300, which it's actually at right now. I think that it's going to rise to probably $1,600 for like the high tier pairs, and then it'll probably stop at about 1,200 for the 10s and the 10 halves and the 11s of the world. And the reason why I think that this hype is like continuing to drive it up and stuff, this could be called like conspiracy theory and stuff, is it's a lot of people, obviously, like individuals buying these shoes. However, what I think is happening as well is I think a lot of like sneaker shops are trying to buy up as much pairs as they can, like in order to control this market. Like, I really think that the only reason these prices are going up that much is because people are buying them in bulk, like shops, like big shops, and they are buying them in bulk, and they're trying to control the market because there was not 100,000 pairs. And this is my next point. There was not 100,000 pairs. I saw a lot of like sneaker news sources and stuff saying that there's going to be 100,000 pairs, rumors 100,000 pairs, 90,000 pairs. There's a lot. I don't think there's 100,000 pairs in the world, man. Like, at the resale that it's at right now, there's no way that there's 100,000 pairs. I do not believe that at all. I think it's probably half that, from just judging from the resale numbers and stuff, because when you guys look at this shoe is reselling for more than the Jordan 1 Unions, which Jordan 1 Unions, you guys know, it was very hyped, and it was a super limited release. Like, the only place they released that is at Union Store, Los Angeles, and then I think they had like a small run for the red ones on Sneakers app, so it was very small. But anyway, there's a lot less pairs of that, and these things are already reselling for more than the Unions, a much more limited pair. So that shows me that these things are not as in high like production as people think. Like, there's not 100,000 pairs. I honestly think that. And when you guys look at the numbers of like how much shoes have been selling on like Goat app and stuff, it doesn't dictate that at all. So my point with that is showing that it's a limited market, so it's going to continue to rise. And the thing is that people want to wear this shoe because it's hype. People want to be seen with it. They want to be the cool kid. They want to be the guy that's rocking their sneaks. And because of that, the more pairs that get on DS, the more the DS pairs go up because there's less of them in the world. So I only think that these things are going to continue to rise. At this point, I don't see it dropping. Maybe it'll drop at like 50 bucks for certain sizes here and there, but for the most part, this is going to be the market value, which is crazy. Honestly, like another thing that's been like kind of making me frustrated with this whole situation is that there's a lot of fakes being put out into the world right now too, like Modern Notoriety and stuff, like reposting these videos of like factories in China that are making replicas of these shoes that look dang similar, very similar to these actual pairs from Nike. Like I got this one from Nike, it's a legit pair, but with that there's a whole bunch of pairs that aren't legit, and it's freaking me out, man, because there's a lot. A lot. The quality and the stuff look exactly the same, and unless you like are comparing it side by side with another pair, there's a lot of discrepancies, man. So you really got to be careful is what I'm saying. Like, don't buy from a source that you guys don't know is reputable. Like, I highly recommend you guys check it out on GoDaddy. I highly recommend, even when you guys are at like consignment shops, to like do due diligence and like pull up your phone and see like a legit check video or something on it, because there's a lot of fakes, man, and I don't want you guys spending like thousands of dollars on a shoe that's not even a legit shoe. It's just not a smart idea, man. So just be safe out there. There's a lot, and you guys will be surprised, like, oh, high quality leather or whatever, this must be legit. That's not the case anymore, man. These fakes, they're using almost the exact same materials and stuff, and the details are very similar to the shoes. Like, these fakes are crazy. But my last couple things about the Jordan 1 Travis Scotts: if you guys don't have a pair yet and you really want them, you should really buy them now. Like, I don't see this market dropping. I don't see this re-releasing. And there's definitely like a time limit, because this is going to be considered the OG Jordan 1 Travis Scott. Like, this is going to be the OG. They've teased like different colorways and stuff for the shoe, but this is always going to be the OG. Like, you think of the Jordan 1 Bread, the OG. That one always has resale value no matter what, because it's the OG, everybody knows it, and that value actually goes up as more pairs are released. So when different iterations of this colorway come out, I honestly feel like these prices of these shoes are just going to continue to rise, because that's the OG, that's the one people want. So if you don't buy now and the next colorway releases, I feel like you're probably going to have to pay like a lot more. So I highly recommend you guys check it out now. With that being said, I have important news for you guys. I know a lot of you guys out there watching behind this camera right now can't afford Jordan 1 Travis Scotts. Like, it's just not realistic. $1,000 for a shoe is insane, guys. It is not chump change. That is insane amounts of money. That is entire paychecks that have to go to a single shoe. It sucks because some people just don't have the financial means for that. So what I am doing is I'm actually teaming up with another YouTuber, and I'm letting you guys know this in advance so you guys can get kind of ready for it. I'm teaming up with a big sneaker YouTuber, like a very big one, on giving away a free pair of Jordan 1 Travis Scotts, a free pair. It's gonna be a free giveaway for you guys, and the reason why is just because me and this guy just really love this community, and we really want to try to give back as much as we can to you guys. So we want to give away the hype sneaker. This is going to be sneaker of the year. Like, I'm telling you guys now, it's sneaker of the year, and I want to give you guys a free pair of these, and I really hope that whoever wins like rocks their pair. So I'm letting you know now, the video is going to be released on Friday. It's going to be that 4,000 beater box. It's going to have all of the info on there. But if you guys want to stay on top of the curve, you guys want to make sure you don't miss out on the chance to get a free pair of Jordan 1 Travis Scotts, then be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, because if you guys miss this, it's a huge opportunity, man. Like I see those Instagram contests and stuff where there's like hundreds of thousands of entries. Those chances are so slim. Like, you're not probably going to hit that. It's a lottery. But I feel like when it's on like YouTube video and stuff, you have a much better chance, because not a lot of people do YouTube like giveaways and stuff. So that's what I'm doing for you guys. One of you guys is gonna be blessed with a pair of Jordan 1 Travis Scotts. What you do with it at that point is all up to you, man. But I want to give back. This is for you. Hopefully you guys are able to get this so you don't need to pay these crazy resale prices. Anyway, that is it for this video, man. Be safe. Don't buy fakes out there. Buy the Jordan 1 Travis Scotts like as soon as possible, because they're only continuing to rise in value, and the hype is real, man. Like, a lot of people want to hate on this shoe. They want to hate like, oh, you don't even know Travis Scott, you're not allowed to like this shoe, you're not a true fan. I don't like Travis Scott, but I like this shoe. It's a good shoe. The quality of it is very nice. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. Be prepared for that giveaway. It's coming soon. All of that details will be in that video though, so make sure you catch Friday's video. And also, I want you guys to comment down below and tell me if you guys can figure out who am I collabing with on this giveaway. It's a big one, guys. He's a sneaker YouTuber. He's a legit one. Very excited to be working with this guy. Anyway, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoot!